Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to create task reminders with natural language in TODOIST, the 2025 guide. First off, open your TODOIST app. This is where all the magic happens. Now that we've done that, click on the plus button to create a new task. This button is your pathway to productivity, as it's where you start organizing your tasks. Next up, type in your task using natural language. For example, call Tom at 3 p.m. tomorrow. TODOIST smart software understands natural language and will figure out what you're saying. This feature is a game changer because it saves you from the hassle of manually setting dates and times. Once you've entered your task, hit Enter. The reason we do this is to save the task and the reminder in the system. Now, take a look at your task list. You'll see your new task with the reminder set for the time you specified. This helps us because we can visually confirm that our reminder is set correctly. Lastly, don't forget to check your notification settings to ensure you'll get a reminder at the right time. This is crucial because it ensures you don't miss out on any important tasks. And that's it. You've just learned how to create task reminders with natural language in TODOIST. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, productivity is just a few taps away. Until next time.